Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. Let's do this. Welcome, welcome. See if we can't make some money today together. Do our best, huh? Feel free to share the live. Good morning. We've got a couple minutes till market opens. Plenty of time for everyone to get on here, get ready. And remember to stay disciplined. No point in giving back our profits. We had a solid trading day yesterday. Let's keep it going. All right, Team Bull. Let's do this. We got 1 minute, 20 seconds. Been waiting for this VWAP bounce all morning. It's going to hit right at market open, and I will not take it. Good morning. Good luck today, everyone. Make sure we stay disciplined. We don't average down losing trades that are invalid. We don't move stop losses. And we do not oversize. So
basically, choose DOD.
that's it.
That's it right there. In a nutshell, they need to choose DOD. Right place to do that inside Team Bull. The right place to implement that. The market's open. Let's get it.
FOMC minutes today as well, everyone.
They do. Brandon don't like minutes days. I'm surprised he's trading.
That bounce is smacked. We got a Fed speaker today. I didn't see it on the agenda. Let me look.
Do we have Fed speakers?
I was told we did, but I don't see it. Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. Good morning, Naya. What's
You
up?
got some bed speakers?
Good morning.
Beds in the house?
Trying to make sure I don't miss any questions. Drop them in the comments if you have a question in
Had
chat
a
here.
nice trade on Asia last night. Gene had a real nice trade on Asia.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and mark out our key levels too.
Make sure you hit the follow. I do go live every morning. If I take a trade, you all will know it. If you trade with me, 3 to 5 MNQ is all you need. I know some of you all are probably tired of hearing me say that, but I'm not going to stop until you have discipline and are profitable, or you leave me. Whichever comes first. Can everyone, if you can hear me, see my screen, give me yes, or just run up the chat. Just want to make sure. Nice. Drinking some good coffee, hanging out with you all. I'm out of my main coffee though, so. Good morning, Jeff. That VWAP bounce, or that 25. Let's see what would stop. It pushed down quite a bit, but still would have been a good trade. Just hit right at open. I couldn't take it. We're just gonna be patient. We'll catch a trade more than likely. We just have to wait on it. Wait on the setup. So you can ask questions. We can talk about whatever. Until then, just no forcing trades. If you're gonna be on the live, that's one rule I have. If you're gonna force trades and do things wrong, you cannot watch. It's horrible, isn't it? It's horrible. Is Jay done in a trade? I don't know. He's not talking right now. So I'm assuming not. Good morning. Can't see the numbers? There we go. Hopefully that helps. Good morning, everyone. Seems like the crowd's just rolling in. I guess they know I'm not taking nothing right off the open.
do our best to find ourselves some nice winning trades.
How do I find point of control? My indicator charts it for me automatically. It's the highest volume. Someone was asking me about point of control, how I find it. It's just the highest volume point on the time frame I'm looking at.
Okay, let's see. Bezel's currently moving down too. What's that for market load? Down here.
You got your coffee, Jenna?
No, I have not drank my coffee yet. Gene is on the way and he's bringing it. So I actually have a rule for myself. I typically don't take trades without
Coffee.
having my coffee with me. Having my coffee running through my veins. I know everyone says
It's not it's based off
cut out all these other things.
sessions, Cody.
You don't do alcohol. You don't do the weed. You don't do anything. You gotta cut out coffee. I'm like, I'm sorry, that's not happening. I know that I'll have more energy long term. But understand that caffeine is a drug, and that once you cut it out, over time you'll learn.
I think I'm okay with it. If caffeine is what takes me out of this world, I'm good with it. Good way to go as any, I guess. Do I gauge the market or just watch the current setup? I just watch. I don't care which way we go. I don't try to guess or direction unless I'm, taking a trend entry that's supported by volume, price action. I just wait till we get to our key levels or zones and look for confirmation. I don't have to catch the entire move. Just get in. If we get continuation, great. If not, we just manage our trades and move on.
Cool.
Why do we only trade futures? No, there's nothing, Frank, there's nothing wrong with still trading options, but I think Jadon would agree with this. The way the same day expirations are anymore, they're just, it's hit or miss. The IV's so high, it makes them overpriced and just not worth the risk a lot of days. And why I like day trading futures better than options is because one thing, you don't have to worry about the Greeks or IV. I like options still. If in the right situation, but ideally for swing trading or long-term leaps is what I use options for.
We want Grismart back.
Let's do it. What's the Netflix doing since the split this morning? I haven't looked at it.
We want Grismart back.
Ooh, selling off more. I feel like 100, around 100 on Netflix would be the area. For those looking for leaps or whatever.
Dogs are tripping. Are you guys gonna stay patient today? Trade smart and trade safe?
Yeah, I still look at Delta when trading futures. It shows it on the screen. Shows my indicator shows it at the bottom right.
Take calls, take puts. Click that buy button to feel something. I understand it, but you have to have.
Demo on Tradeovate. I mean, let's see. It is not. It's self-funded money. Flacco, is that your name? Self-funded. It's not like they're putting real cash in your account once you get funded. You're trading with sim. Some companies do, but you're trading with sim funded. They move you to live after you hit a certain amount of payouts. You all can't hear me well? Can barely hear me. That's interesting. I'm right up on the phone. Maybe you all have to bump up your volume. What's up? All right, let's focus in. I'm watching this. Watching price action. We've got our 15-minute range in like less than 2 minutes, so could possibly see a trade in the near future. Yeah, that's it, Hobbs. Midman, I think we're gonna have to get like a definition we can copy and paste for a point of control, and it's like when someone asks for it in chat, we just drop it to them. It is it's a long definition, so to keep it simple, it's basically volume-based support and resistance. That's how I use it. No, don't be sorry. I'm just saying. I just wanted to tell Madman that so we have it in the future. Make my life a little easier. Make sure to hit the follow TikTok. I go live every morning. Right to that previous day point of control, huh? 15-minute range is in. Yes, they are. I was wanting a little more. If we pull back to this 24,700, I'm gonna look for a possible long entry. We tell Team Bull.
So now let's wait. We trade smart, we trade safe, we stay patient.
Are you in a trade, J-Down? Hello?
I'm not. What are you looking for?
Everything okay, Greg? He's not on here, is he?
I think so. I added him.
He was on here. I don't know what's up. I was looking for a pullback to 24,700 for a possible long. 24,710 to 24,700 area for a possible M and Q long entry. I'll be trading M and Q.
Some micros. Tesla's down at 400. One double. Can I explain DOD on the chart, Vic? Oh, you bet I can. So we're gonna wait for a 5-minute close with volume, like we've seen here. Ideally above our 15-minute high and pre-market high. It doesn't have to be above the 15-minute high, but
Stop loss would be, I mean, you could put your hard stop in at like below that candle, but if we close back below that 24,700 on the 5-minute, I would be out. Do I recommend more aggressive on prop firm evals or small wins adding up over time? I feel like you're gonna save a little money going with the small wins. You know, this the base hits, but I know it can be a little frustrating doing that with every eval, especially when you go through as many as I have. So I'm not in a trade. No, no. If I take a trade, you all will know it. It'll be very clear. No confusion. Okay, this candle here could set us up for a possible orb entry. What we want to see here is a higher volume, and we could get it. It's got 40 seconds or so. Let's see. But we have to. I'm not going to take it off the close. I'm going to wait on the retest, even with the confirmation candle, the breakout candle. I mean, you can try it. It's considered a breakout trade, which adds more risk. That's why I like to wait on retest for my entry.
if you say Jay Dunn will trade this with DOD,
Okay. Nothing crazy on that volume. Nothing crazy on the volume there, but volume's still pointing up, so. We just wait on the confirmation candles. That's all we can do. You know, even when we take retest, they can fail. That's why it's so important. We just have to manage our risk properly, right? We have to manage our trades properly. Even perfect setups fail sometimes. This is how it goes. You don't always know the move's going to happen. You can just, you know, take the same boring setup and manage it. I can make it where you can see the bottom a little better. Right here.
what? No, I wanted to see some tad bit lower too. That was my problem. All right, well, that's gonna annoy me. I'll be back. It's plus 1.5.
Yeah, just being patient. No forcing trades. Let's do this right. Hang out, ask questions. There's just no trades to be made yet. Grisology wants to confirm it, but we'll have to see what the volume's like on this candle. We got some resistance at this 24,800, so I'd like to see us invalidate that. Does anyone have map up? Can you tell me if there's any sale orders in this area? What's it look like? I don't have it pulled up. I don't use it, to be honest, but I just ask you all. I wonder if there's any like right here where we're at, this whole area. Anything new coming to the indicator? I'm still working on it. Trust me, this has taken longer than expected, but I'm getting the still gonna have the order flow coming to Grisology, and a couple of small. Order flow, yeah, no. It's gonna have like a gauge.
Pull back down. Whoa, yeah, I'm a little bummed. That's unfortunate for sure, but that's okay. It'll happen. Here's the thing about FOMO or forcing setups or missing something, is that when you have a setup like that come that you like, or something simple.
What a candle. It's unfortunate. It was a high volume though, higher than the previous. Well, it's the previous one. I'm not trying to reject with Grisology here. We do have some supply, but I'm looking more for a long entry just so that's clear. Nah, Steve. I really wish we'd give us a pullback for a long entry. I just don't know if we're gonna get it. We'll see. Yes, invalidated that zone. That's what I wanted that to happen. Now when it says pull back, we could possibly get an entry at 24,800. The safe entry would be at the top of the 15-minute range. No idea. Santa rally's coming, I'm telling y'all. I mean this with respect to everyone that tries to short the market. We people that try to swing trade puts on SPY, QQQ, or catch the tops typically are, not doing that well on the trading, because why not just wait on pullbacks for leaps, right? Why short something that's went up the last, 50 years? That's just my opinion, my 2 cents. Day trading, yeah, we get away with it all the time. I love catching shorts, but long term, bullish is the way. Yep, patience is hard to be patient, but we're being patient together. There's no reason to take trades. We have to wait on a pullback, or we're just chasing. Unless, you took that orb. If I could see this orb entry here matching someone's strategy, but I needed more volume on this candle before to take it. And we just didn't get enough volume on that candle. I wasn't looking at ES. I missed that one. I guess ES hit, huh? Ryan is set to retest. So with Grisology, you can you can make it breakout or retest for the orb signals. Oh, Scott, that's awesome. Your first 100-point trade? Nice. I'd like to get a pullback. It's just not give us any kind of entry. I don't really like this fair value gap entry here, everyone. The 865. I would much rather see a pullback to 24,800.
Wait, we missed the train.
Everyone staying patient. keeping the discipline. I know it's been a minute. We're 32 minutes in. No trades. This could be the end. Alright, good. When I trade NQ, how many do I typically do? So I only would trade NQ on your personal account that you fund yourself. But you know, I don't see why you would ever trade over 5 NQ. As far as day trading goes. We're gonna see if there is. I don't trade power hour, no. Not sure what's up, AJ. Maybe your data or your chart settings, perhaps. MSK, I've been trading for a minute. Oh, I've been live trading for a long time as well. I honestly don't know the exact years I've been day trading. I know it was before COVID. You say something, Jadon?
I was saying that they didn't give us that deep pullback you were looking for.
No, they haven't gave us any pullback, have they?
We got that little one back to between pre-market high and 15-minute high. That was the only area I was tempted to take. But
Yeah,
I didn't pull the trigger.
I've seen that. I liked it as well. I just didn't like the volume on that breakout candle.
Yeah, that was my issue too.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad, but it wasn't like great.
Yeah, it wasn't even. It didn't even have more volume than the previous. Do I like grid in my background? It doesn't matter either way to me, honestly. We're approaching this previous day high here. I'm interested to see if we can break it, if there's actually gonna be some selling there. Give us a pullback. I'm open to a 24,800 bounce now. If we pull
I'm
back.
also watching this pullback in gold too.
Is gold pumping?
It's just like this chart just looks good. The longs we pull back to 41.21.
We touched the supply, hourly supply there from the previous day high.
Gold symbol is GC. GC Z5.
Forgot my protein shake. That's what I'm missing this morning.
Watching for a little more pullback on gold. It's like 41.21. Try a little piece if we get down there. While we're waiting for NQ to move back a little. I mean, this is a textbook setup. I just like the setup in general on any name I'm trading, right? When you have that pre-market high, that 15-minute high in the area.
What are you all watching?
Some gold longs. Everybody tried some gold longs.
Jay done tried some gold longs. I'm not
Hard
trading
stops,
it, but go ahead.
41,
If you
15.
trade gold.
Taking it light, so
I'm not taking it though. It's just not my. I don't like trading gold of a morning. Jaden made money on it last time he traded it. Good morning. Not yet, Austin. We haven't had an entry. It's just straight up, man. I'm hoping we get one. TikTok, YouTube, are you all watching anything here on NQ or ES? How do you trade gold? GC's the ticker. It's futures. Trade gold futures, Kelsey. Just like we're trading MNQ or NQ, gold has futures as well. Oh, yawn. Pride, that's what we're waiting on. 24,800 area for a bounce. Now, if we had like a crazy sell candle here with volume confirmation, I would possibly look for a short, but with this strength, pull back for a long entry would be your best bet, I feel like. MGC for gold micros. There you go. Appreciate that, Team Tampa, for letting me know. Yeah, we're looking at NQ, but we're going to trade MNQ. MNQ is like a... You can trade NQ if you want, but MNQ gives us less risk, basically. We can trade the same chart, just less risk. I'm not taking this. I don't care if it confirms or not. I'm not taking this, okay? This short here. I would have to see more than that. Give us a pullback. Oh, can't quit yawning. It's quite a big... Let me look at the 30-minute range, Steve. It's a good point. I'm looking in front of me here. Dang, it is retesting it. Ooh, Steve, I wish I'd seen that beforehand. Man, that would have been a good entry on that 30-minute orb. The retest of it. That was literally the perfect retest. And the confirmation candle on the breakout of the 30-minute range looked great. As far as the volume. I don't use 10-minute time frame. I mostly watch the 5-minute while trading. Since I assume he was asking about the time frame. 9:41. I've never had much luck out of the 1 minute. It works great for some people, but it fakes me out too much, you know? What? We got negative delta on this green candle. That's interesting. 2000 negative 2,900. Or data's coming in wrong on TradingView. One of the two. Now it's gonna try to flip now. Well, no. It's interesting. Am I considering new trades? Yes, I'm watching right now for a possible entry in this area we're in. I'm reading volume and price action for us. I'm trying to get us a trade. Still negative delta, everyone, on this candle. It's so weird. Nice, Team Tampa. Mom's Planning says, thank you for my Apex account giveaway. I'm trading it today. That's awesome. Glad. Jaden just ends the Zoom. Oh no, internet. Bear with me, everyone. My internet seems to be down. All right, we're back. We're good to go. I gotta get back on the Zoom with Jaden.
$125, 367, 60, 206,
Going to the moon. They have to go without me. I can't take that trade until we get a pullback. He took a gold trade he made money from. The one I told you all about.
DOD, this is DOD right here. They're waiting for that retest.
Santarelli. Grisology tried to tell us, I just wouldn't listen. If we break that 25,000 today, I don't know. Where are we going? Oh yeah. I don't feel bad about not taking a trade. I'm with you all. I'd rather wait on a good setup. Some days we just have to protect our capital, right? Yeah, there you go. It's hilarious, Hobbs. Everyone hang around. Still looking for trades. Good time to ask questions, conversate, drink some good coffee. How many contracts will I trade on this? I'm gonna go with 5 MNQ. This depends. My stop loss is not always a set amount. Steve, I wouldn't doubt it, honestly. Just looking for a pullback, Chris. That's it. Still being patient, team boy. I haven't taken a trade. No confirmation for me. Appreciate all the likes. TikTok, you are crushing it. 4,300 likes on TikTok. No shorts for me.
I know why I swear we got gold. This is I got my gold watch on. I never wear a watch when I trade. But we got the gold. Day date. Press command rollie on.
Thank you, guys.
Greg tried
Got
longs.
the gold trade. Maybe we gotta wear it more often.
I'm not taking it. I haven't got confirmation, but Greg said he's trying longs. Just didn't want you all to think that was me said that. Not that you can get our accents mixed up. What's my TikTok? You can find all my socials, everything I have at
Rick
grizzlytrades.com.
James, all gold right there.
grizzlytrades.com.
Maybe that's why I missed him. I'm gonna have my glasses on.
Give us a pullback for our entry.
What's the bonus?
He stopped out. He got stopped out, Greg did. Heater has got it toasty in my office. I'm not gonna complain though. I'll take it.
Let's see.
Poor Greg, the only time he tried longs, or when he tried the longs, it sells off finally after climbing hundreds of points. It happens.
Leave it. Gonna wait for another A plus setup, guys. Gold baby runner chilling. Then we wait for another A plus setup. Don't hopefully y'all chose DOD today.
What is that? 32. There's no trade to be made here. I still got target. I haven't ever sold any of my target. I'm gonna add more. Haven't sold any of my target. I will more than likely add more as we go down. What's XRP at right now? I haven't looked this morning. Oh, it's almost time for me to buy. Excuse me. Ooh. Oh, gave me a rib cramp. That was a violent sneeze. Thank you. think it's gonna chop now. I'm gonna be patient. I may be here for a minute this morning, everyone. You all can hang out if you would like. I'm trying to build up the cash I've been spending on land. I've been paying cash. I don't think I'll maybe I'll buy one more piece of land with cash, but the rest I think I'll probably finance once rates get down more. I'm gonna watch this 24,900 around that previous day open, that whole psych for a possible bounce. We'll see. We'll definitely wait on the candle closes. Um, Mostly in Tennessee, all in Tennessee. I was checking out, the credit score of my companies, and it is awesome. I didn't even realize I had credit built up. It's nearly as good as my personal, as far as that goes. Yeah, the old build your credit, build the kids' credit hack. I'm reading Team Bull Chat. Jesus, appreciate it. Over 10,000 likes on TikTok. That's crazy. Crazy. Alright, I'm going to talk to Team Bull, get them ready for what I'm watching here.
I never planned to be on social media.
Hey,
I learned to trade
what's
out
up?
to make money trading. Sorry, what, Grizzly?
Are you like talking and fast forward or what? I couldn't even understand what you said. I'm looking for a 24,900 area bounce, see if we get it. I'm not 100%.
Spit game.
Look into that area, I guess.
Fast forward. I just get passionate about seeing more win, okay? That's all.
It's the peptides working. Got 'em.
The peptides are hitting. Whenever I start ranting about risk management and making it as a trader, you know something's hitting. It's either the coffee or the peptides.
We got this dude cracked out live streaming on TikTok.
That's how you know the coffee starts hitting is I start speaking really fast and saying some random shit. Are you talking fast forward or what? Oh, that is hilarious. Sorry, I just get excited. That's all.
I
Bro
see.
said, I don't know what you're saying. Honestly, bro, I don't really either. I'm just kind of speaking whatever comes to mind.
Is Gene good over there?
Gene has to deal with me every day, bro.
Gene's probably over in the corner just like, Come
Half the
on.
time Gina likes the music, bro. What are you saying? What are you doing? Why are you like this? How did this happen? Like, bro, you trade long enough, your brain just turns to mush, right? You just you become desensitized to everything, and you just kind of just start living. What? It's something. It's something. Oh, I'm dying. All right. Well, we've had a good day so far off gold. I'm a little bummed.
All right, I'm focused back in. What are we doing now? We're just gonna hang out in this one area the rest of the day, or are we gonna move? Yeah, peptides. You know, I started to take peptides once I figured, like, I don't know. I read a lot of good and I read some bad. Like some of the bad I'm like, you know, would it be just the same as running a cycle or what, you know? Alright, I'm still watching. Let's see if we can get a pullback here. I feel like it's gonna be quick push down then bounce hard, you know?
You just need to DM me so you can get on the list to come trade.
Watching this bounce, everyone. We're coming down here. About 28 points away from the area I'm watching. It's the top
You
of
watching 29,000 or 24,900?
24906.
Alright.
We got 30-minute range high, previous day open there. But we are overextended. Again, I will be trading MNQ, not NQ. If you take this trade with me, 3 to 5, MNQ is all you need.
Okay, yes, sir.
What's up, Greg? I can't hear you well.
Okay, the same area, 900, 900 and 100.
Are you watching the bounce too?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Put out the message in the admin corner, because if I'm talking and you see a trade, just speak over me, please.
Oh no, go ahead. I'm gonna try it if we get down there, but we may not. I literally want the exact touch of that 906 for a possible entry. For an entry down there, unless we just get some crazy sell volume, you know, going down to it. Then I'm not gonna try it. I'm looking for a long entry. I'm not looking for shorts. What would my stop loss be if I got in at 906? You know, if we close back inside that 30-minute range, I would probably stop, but
Bro, so you know what's crazy about SARMs is that that's actually how I initially got.
come on, do not bounce. I guess technically our hard stop could be 24,880. You know, if we want to put the hard stop there. The only thing I don't like about that, we have the fair value gap midline at 862. So, you know, we run the risk of getting stopped out, then it bouncing there. It's just minutes. They keep like they talk about last FOMC meeting basically. This is the area here. Giving it a go on the MNQ longs, everyone. I'm in. This could be, if it win or lose, this is my only trade today. I got 5 MNQ. Keeping my stop around, I'm putting my hard stop around 870 right now. Giving it a little bit of room. You can keep yours a little tighter if that's too much risk for you. But we're position light, so. It could sell off here, but this is the only bounce area I have until we like push down another 100 points. So we'll see. Your entry should have been at 906. $9.10 to 906 is fine, yeah. Be nice if we could take this up to 25,000, you know, ideally, but we'll see. I'm trading NQ. NQ. Let's focus in, everyone. I'm in a trade now. I'll answer questions once we're done.
Super ultra picky, and sometimes it bites me and I miss trades.
I got my stop loss, my hard stop set at 871, Team Bull. You can move it up if it's too much risk for you. I've only got 5 MNQ, by the way.
right, guys. Still chilling. What'd you say your stop was at, Grizzly?
Again, thank you.
871. 871 is my stop.
Joining the anchor on entry 900.
My coffee's cold. Oh no. This guy's trying to reject here. Nothing wrong with that. If you don't like a trade, you always have the, you can get out. Nothing wrong with that at all. Jesus. TikTok. Man, please do not turn off the comments. May stop me out.
More towards like 800.
It hit my stop, everyone.
It's kind of a ways away. Say 850 might be a good area too. We do have some previous resistance turn support here at 850.
Oh. $300 and something loss with 5 MNQ. Almost 400. Still looking here for a trade. I'm just gonna see what we do here. If we push down to 24,800, I'm gonna watch that, but that's it. My last area. Just a paper cut, yeah.
I had to find one spot to long now.
It would be 24,800.
Yeah, 800 to 780, like that 50% retracement for the day. That's honestly really the only other spot I have. I've been drinking a ton of water and I gotta piss like a damn racehorse at the Kentucky Derby. So, Gene, will you come?
$24,800 is the bounce area, the main bounce area we was watching. I'm not sure if we'll get it or not, but this volume telling me that there's a bounce coming. Forrest says Trump is speaking some. Good to know. Good to know. Ooh, that's some better volume. I'm not taking it right now. I'm watching. We got quite a bit of volume on this candle, sell volume. Very high negative delta. It's interesting how they waited for this candle. You know? Well, I'm just going to invalidate this fair value gap, which I'm okay with. We got, we got FOMC minutes later today. Just not respecting technicals as far as my strategy goes. Look at the volume on this candle here, though. It's wild. I'm watching this 15-minute range area. This is the last area I'm watching. Well, he's in longs. Where'd he get in at, Bill? Ooh. Did he stop, Bill, or is he still in? Everyone's gonna be sweating when we have a crypto winter, huh? There's a lot of selling here. I'd be careful with longs, everyone. Careful, careful. Come on, pump it up for him. Pump it up. Give him a winning trade. We need it. Just a difficult day, in my opinion. We didn't get no pullbacks. We tried a long entry. We was up a little under 20 points. I didn't get no trim. Come down, got stopped. And now it's sold back off to this previous day point of control VWAP here. That's where we're at. Come on, pump up for it, J Dunn. Yeah, J Dunn got in longs at 777, I think, what Bill said. I don't see anything personally here. J Dunn took the trade. I don't see entry myself, okay? I'll let you all know if I take another one. I mean, we gave it a try earlier. We was trying to catch the trend, right? We had crazy strength. We got quite the pullback here. A little more than I expected, so. I'm just rooting for J Dunn's trade, you know? I just don't see another entry, everyone. I feel like it's FOMC minutes, right? We tried, we failed, but we managed our risk, managed our position size right. I just don't see an entry. So I'm just gonna come back tomorrow. Let these FOMC minutes get out of the way. See if we can have a regular trading day tomorrow. I don't want to give you all another losing trade or something. Trying to fight whatever you want to call this. But I'll see you all in the morning, okay?